When developing new or existing products, the volume of engineering data generated, CAD files, reports, and other supporting documents can be thousands. Making sure everyone has the right version of the right document at the right time is critical to ensuring your product is delivered on time and on budget. SOLIDWORKS PDM manages and synchronizes design data across your entire organization in a centralized, secure vault, providing a scalable solution from just a single project to multiple sites and multiple geos. Working inside SOLIDWORKS, the integrated PDM task pane displays all the relevant project information for your design. At any time, you can see which parts are up to date and those being worked on by you or by other users. When you need to make a design change, documents can be checked out and locked so that any potential conflicts are avoided, and the PDM task pane highlights the updates as you make them, so you can easily keep track of what's changed and when. As SOLIDWORKS designs are updated by other members of your team, live notifications keep you informed of changes as they happen. Out-of-date parts are highlighted in the PDM task pane, where you can instantly retrieve the latest version, eliminating the risk of working with out-of-date design data. SOLIDWORKS PDM can easily manage thousands of documents from multiple sites around the world. The powerful search capability enables you to efficiently find and reuse data in an instant, and common searches can be captured, then reused across your enterprise. The dynamic previewing tools enable quick identification of the desired result, ready to drag and drop straight into your design. As you make changes to your designs, it's important to understand how the changes might impact other documents. SOLIDWORKS PDM tracks relationships, making it quick and easy to view where parts and assemblies are used. For example, drawings, configurations, and other assemblies. Once your changes are ready to be shared, documents can be checked into the vault for others working on the project to view. Detailed notes can be added, providing traceability as well as a full record of all the design changes along the way. When your design is ready for review, SOLIDWORKS PDM workflows can automate tracking of approvals, eliminating the need for labor-intensive manual sign-off procedures. Just follow the next workflow step defined for your project, and SOLIDWORKS PDM will take care of notifying the right people, maintaining accuracy and accountability. For departments and teams within your organization who don't use SOLIDWORKS, Windows Explorer is all that's required to access the vault and control documents. Simply enter your password and navigate to the folder for your department or project. SOLIDWORKS PDM can manage, view, and print hundreds of different document types, including other major CAD formats, Microsoft Office, images, and animations. Just like with SOLIDWORKS, notifications keep the relevant team members informed of status changes, along with any actions that may be required. Using the interactive live preview, documents can be reviewed instantly right from inside Windows Explorer. When you're finished, a workflow status change can finalize document approval, complete with electronic signature, helping your business meet regulatory compliance such as FDA and ISO. For external partners and suppliers who also collaborate on projects, powerful web connection capabilities enable browser-based secure vault access and editing from anywhere on any device. Documents can be made either view-only or fully editable, with the permission to create new versions and change status, providing decision-making on the go. SOLIDWORKS PDM delivers a powerful, easy-to-implement solution for managing, synchronizing, and securing your design data, helping you to get your products delivered on time and on budget.